यहाँ पे खड़े होकर बात कर। क्या बोलना था? कैमरा जूम करेंगे।
पता है?
नहीं।
हाँ।
तुम्हें कुछ लेना है? Hi everyone, this is me Nidhi. Welcome back to my channel. And I make videos related to fashion and beauty. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go subscribe right now and hit the notification bell icon so you get the notification every time I upload a new video. For today's video, I have something very special. As you can see, I dressed up in a traditional outfit. So first of all, I curled my hair. Can we appreciate it? It took a lot of time for me to do this. Yeah, and I'm pretty happy with this. So yeah. So for today's video, it's something very special, which I love to do. So when I used to go office, I used to do every week, one day has to be my traditional day. So I used to wear my kurtas and suits and things like that. So I'm gonna share some of my favorite outfits for you guys. If you have seen my earlier videos, so you have the idea that I love silver jewelry a lot, and I love mixing them with my western pieces and Indian pieces. And so if you are a college girly, or you're going to office, or you're to work, or somewhere casual, so you can wear those outfits, I think. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the first option, I have something very basic. I think everybody has it in their closet, which is a very basic white chicken curry kurta. I love chicken curry, and if you know me, I'm from Kanpur, so I love Lucknowi chicken curry ka kaam. So I have this kurta. This is from Fab India. It's lovely. If you can see the embroidery on the neck, it's very pretty. So I'm gonna style this one first. Yeah, it has very heavy embroidery on the neck, and it has lovely detailing on the sleeve as well. Look at the cut of the sleeve. I love it. On the bottom, it has like very small क्या बोलते हैं इसको, बूटा, I think. Yeah, booties, छोटी छोटी बूटी है नीचे. So it looks very elegant and chic. So I'm gonna style this one first. So I think I'm gonna switch off my earrings and I'm gonna do a thick silver choker kind of moment with this one. I'll be back. Okay, so with this look, I think I'm gonna go with my pearl earrings, and I think for the neck, I'm gonna do my most favorite piece. Yes, I think this looks very pretty, and I think I'm gonna add another layer with this one. It will add a pop of color, I think. Yes, I think this looks better. For the hand, I think I'm gonna go with my bangles and these two colors. Okay, this is the bangle situation. So for the heel, I'm gonna go with my Zara transparent heel. They are very comfortable and they'll give you height. Okay, so for another option, I'm gonna style the same kurta but in a different way with a dupatta or something. If you are more comfortable or in wearing a dupatta, or you don't want to go without dupatta, so I think that look will be very appropriate. So let's go. So for this next look, I'm gonna remove my neck pieces and I'm gonna do bigger earrings because the dupatta will be covering the front. And for dupatta, I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's very pretty blue and red combination with a little bit gold, and I got it from Pantaloon long back. And yeah, so we're gonna take this dupatta And the best thing, it's both the sides same, so you don't have to worry about कि उल्टा हो गया या मैंने गलत डाला हुआ है. वैसे तो पर्ल इयरिंग्स भी बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. If you wanna keep it very simple, then I think you can go just like this with some bangles and pearl earrings, and yeah, it's a very simple look. But we're gonna elevate this. So I'm gonna change the earrings. Okay, we do something very dainty. It's very small jhumkis because I know most of the days you don't feel like wearing huge piece of jhumka sometimes. So I think this is perfect size for everyone. Yeah, I think this looks pretty. The footwear, I think I'm gonna go with these fabulous juttis which I got from some exhibition in Jaya Mahal in Bangalore. They are so pretty. Look at the beauty. They have some embroidery at the back also and at the front also. And I think I'm gonna do this ring in my finger which is very pink and big, and I think it's gonna match the red detailing on the dupatta. So I think this will look very nice. So yeah, this is the look. Okay, so for the third option, I have something colorful. If you don't like wearing white a lot, then I think you can go for a colored one. So for the printed one, I have this option. It comes with the matching pants as well. So it's same print on print situation. And it's a very lovely kurta. I'll show you the closer. It's a very pretty printed kurta. It's sage green and pink combination. And it looks lovely. And ये थोड़ा सा अनारकली fit है. And this is from West Side, by the way. And I'm in the size M for this one. So I'm gonna change and come back. So yeah, this is the piece. And it's very pretty, breathable. Like गर्मियों के लिए बहुत अच्छा कपड़ा है इसका. I love West Side के suits, cotton suits, because they are so breathable, and I love to fold sleeves, so don't think anything wrong. I love rolling up my sleeves. I don't like longer sleeves. So yeah, I just fold it. And with this, if you're tying your hair, then I think you can go with the neck piece, which I was wearing in the first outfit. And if you want to open your hair, then I think you can go with the bigger earrings. So I think I'm gonna change my earrings. Okay, so with this one, I'm gonna do a huge necklace set. So I'm gonna wear my pearlies again. And if you notice, I'm not gonna remove my bindi because I think bindi is such a hero piece in your Indian outfit. So I'm not gonna remove that one. I love bindi with Indian outfits. Okay, so with this one, as it has like lots of pink, बहुत सारा pink work है इसमें, तो I'm gonna add a little touch of pink with this choker, which is beautiful. If you want to know where is it from, so I think you need to go and check my previous video where I have shared all my silver jewelry collection. So you can find out कि ये कहाँ से लिया मैंने. I'm gonna add a little green with this beautiful necklace here, so you can see the ghunguru and a little green pearls also. I love it. I love this combo. And I'm wearing the last stack only. This is best, I think. With this look, I think I'm gonna do another pair of juttis which I got from Fab India. They're really pretty. And the good thing about Fab India, they give you this dust bag as well, which is, I think, hand stitched with the fabric. Such a cool idea. And it shows their sustainability. I love shopping from Fab India. So for the juttis, I have these beautiful silver or golden embroidery juttis. It has embroidery inside and the cushion is amazing. Like you can see, I can push it in. This is all over embroidery. So ये मैं बहुत कम पहनती हूँ, like for the special occasion only. तो ठीक, ये थोड़े महंगे हैं obviously. I'm in the size 37. So if you are thinking, then I'm size 37. Okay, so for the next outfit, I have a very interesting piece. It's a dress, like Indo-Western kind of dress, a little printed one. I got it from Zudio and it's very A-shape. A-shape? Yeah, I think it's called A-shape, like frog jaisa. And then we have this V-neck kind of situation. Yeah, it has elastic all over at the back. So yeah, and it has adjustable straps, so I can adjust according to my size. So yeah, let's style this one. Okay, so it changed and this is how it looks. It's very pretty and very easy. Like bloating का problem नहीं है. If you're on your periods and all, you can wear this dress आराम से. For the accessories, I think this looks pretty cool with this dress. I'm gonna stay with this setup going on here, and with this ring I'll do something for my hand. So for my hand, I'm gonna mix these two bang bracelets from Zara and this is from Amazon. So I'm gonna stack all these three together. So I think this is it for this one. If you want to do chappals, then you can go for chappals with this one, and if you want to do juttis, then juttis as well. So I'm gonna go with juttis. I'm gonna do this only, and yeah, it's very pretty. I haven't worn this dress yet, but I think ये वाला look बहुत अच्छा है. I can definitely go somewhere wearing this whole outfit. ऐसे में बहुत गंदी लाइटिंग आ रही है. छुट्टी दिखा दें, एक वैसा भी बना. Okay, so for the next and last piece, I have something very pretty. It's separate pieces, but I made a combo out of it. So it's a trouser and a tunic kurti sort of thing. तो मेरे पास ये कुर्ती है. I got this from Pantaloon, I think, yeah. And यहाँ से इसमें कट है. It's like rounded corner वाला cut and looks beautiful with collar and 3/4 sleeve. So yeah, this is from the brand Akriti from Pantaloons. So yeah, 3/4 sleeves and everything. And for the trousers, I have a very pretty option. Is tulip cut, if you know what that means. Like it has a cut but with a curve at the side of the leg. So it looks really pretty. I love these kind of trousers. इसको आप white कुर्ती के साथ भी पहन सकते हो. If you have black भी अच्छा लगेगा. And if you have red भी बहुत सुंदर लगेगा because it has red flowers. So I'm gonna wear it and I'll come back. So this is how the combo looks on me. I'm gonna insert one clip here so you can see better. This is how I can show you. Since it has collar, I'm not gonna wear huge earrings, but okay, I'm gonna add this layered necklace which I got long back, like ages. It's been I think more than 7-8 years. तो ये काफ़ी पुराना है, मैंने लाइफस्टाइल से लिया था. Sometimes they also have really good pieces. So I'm gonna layer this. मेरे बैंगल्स ने खराब कर दिया. So yeah, this is how this lead situation is going on. This is, if you think it's too much for you, you can definitely reduce some of them, but I love it. And lastly, I think this is very interesting. So I'm gonna add these hasleys बोलते हैं I think इनको. So जो पैर में पहनते हैं anklets की तरह, I'm gonna add these, but I'm gonna add 2 only in 1 feet. And for the footwear, I think I'm gonna go with the chappals this time because this is very easy. Like if you're going around, then I think these are the saviors. जुत्ती बार बार उतारते रहते हैं. So yeah, this is the look. I love it. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you like it. If you do, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also comment below to let me know which outfit was your favorite. I would love to hear from you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.